Kisii County has partnered with the Kenya Climate Innovation Center to set up a business incubation hub in the region. The project, which is being carried out in collaboration with European Union, is geared towards boosting agribusiness in the region. The program is expected to benefit more than 2,400 women and youth agribusiness enterprises to a tune of 5.1 billion shillings.
During the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding, Kenya Climate Innovation Center Chief Executive Officer Edward Mungai said necessary funding shall be released in 2 months.
We are here to say that agriculture also pays, and especially if we connect agriculture and technology, and especially for young people, then it is supposed to work. We will be giving grants, we will also be giving commercial money, and at the same time, we'll also be helping these businesses to become better businesses.
The Kisii County government says the project will complement ongoing agricultural programs in the county.
We will be doing a lot of vetting so that we try as much as possible. We raise our success percentage to above 97%. That is why when we were told that we've been nominated, we've been selected, we've been implementing the program, the governor, the Department of Agriculture, and the Office of the CS, we decided and came up with a team that would mentor these people.
The project is expected to empower and enfranchise the youth into self-employment and food production. For Channel 1 News, I'm Jacqueline Masharia.